Going for a take. Quiet on set, please. Sound. Camera.
Scene 10, take 1. Action.
What makes our department, the Cinema and Television Arts Department, unique is that we serve a particular student that may not be served in other programs. And I think we make it very well known that making movies, being a filmmaker, is not just for the privileged. It's for anybody that has a story to tell.
My name is London Prince. I'm a cinematography major. I'll be graduating this fall, and I'm the camera operator for I'm Doing Fine. We're using the Sony FX9 with the Atlas anamorphic lenses, and we're going to be using the Easy Rig for the next shot, I believe, and that's when I wear the camera on me, which is my favorite.
Studying anything in the arts, especially the cinematic arts, is expensive. There's technology, and change is constant. Whichever way the technology goes, our donors are making sure that our students have the tools that are needed to be on the forefront of any of the changes that will be happening. We have a lot of help, a lot of benefactors. The good thing about scholarships from individual people is that in many cases they were schooled here. Those folks tend to want to give back because they realize what this school has meant to them.
The scholarship I received has helped me in a number of ways. I mean, it's basically paid for my tuition. Makes me feel seen. It makes me feel like they want someone like me to be a storyteller. It's really empowering, you know what I mean?
What we teach here and what our students study, this is the preeminent art form in our world, no matter how you look at it. So with donors to this program, that's really helpful for these students having an opportunity to live out a dream. Qualified, diverse individuals that will be thinkers, creators, innovators that will just take us into the far, far future.